Take him down, get to 2.
So the pregame is starting.
Yeah.
So you think our kids want to wrestle these Japanese guys? Just do an exhibition with them real quick after they're done? You think so?
Yeah.
I just called my son. He knows freestyle. He's been a freestyle ref. He'll come up and ref. I already talked to the Grosse Pointe coach. After this one here, Grosse Pointe still has a wrestler. One of these will become available. Grosse Pointe's not going to clean up until they're done wrestling. So we'll be done. This will be wrestling. See what I'm saying? So it's going to actually fit size.
Come on, Russell Smart, let's go.
He was a little leery because he's a first-year coach. He's got a first-year athletic director about getting more teams involved. So I said, well, we hosted them, and I know our kids had fun with them. I'm sure they'd like to wrestle. And they know our kids. They know what their abilities are, so they're not going to go out and try to kill our kids. You know, unfortunately, they're probably going to beat them up. Most probably. Except for some of the bigger guys that might be really strong that can fight it off.
Way to go, Vent.
It's always the case. Our light guys, you go over there, we have a tough time. They're all small. Right. They find smaller guys, we find bigger guys. Right.
You gotta keep that leg. Gotta keep moving. Work something. Gotta keep moving. Gotta move. That wrist. It's cramping real bad. Let's go. You gotta work something, Vincent. Work the half. Cross. Cross.
Scoop!
Yes.
Scoop!
Yes.
Oh, near fall. Come on, Vincent, let's go. You got to pull something out here. Pull it out of yourself right here.
Come on, V.
You're going to take down. Let's go. Grab that ankle.
Get that ankle. There you go. Get him, get him, get him.
Work it right there, Vincent. Come on, Ref. I don't know what you need to see.
Come on, Ref.
I don't know what you need to see. What do you need to see?
He got the leg locked. He's so much
good. Work something, Vincent. Let's go.
Yeah.
Grab. Need to use your weight. You got to move. You got to work something. Keep that ankle. Grab that wrist. You got to pull it out of yourself right here.
Run it, run it. Turn him.
You got a short time, let's go. You got to pull it out, move.